Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about Assert with an simple example. Right click, new, package, data. In the data package, new, Java class, Assert demo. In the Assert demo, create one method public that returns the string test Assert that takes the string key as a parameter. Return null for now. Take the map that takes the string, comma, string map equal to new hash map. Add some entries to it. Map dot put. I'm saying the key is Anish and the value is something like Hyderabad. Map dot put. Key is Rajesh, comma, something like Pune. Map dot put. The key is John. New York. Return the corresponding key. Map dot get and pass the key. That's it. Control Alt L to format. Create one package in the test folder. Test folder, something like data. Inside this, new Java class, test Assert demo, Assert same demo. Here inside it, void test Assert same method I have taken. Create the object for Assert same demo. And do the assertion dot assert same. The expected is dot and pass the key, which is Anish. Assert same demo dot test assert same and pass the same key, which is Anish. We have passed the two keys, which is expected as well as the actual value, and check whether the both keys are same or not. If both are same, the test will get passed at the rate of test. See here, the test has been passed. In this way, we can use this assert same in order to check whether the both expected as well as the actual values that we have provided are the objects, the two objects that we have provided are same or not. That's it. Thank you.